Good morning, everyone. So now I'll be talking about public deposit. Deposit raised by enterprises directly from the public, and basically when general public, like if you are a normal investor and you have a surplus funds with you, you have an option. Either you can deposit your money with a commercial bank as a fixed deposit, or you can also deposit money, you can say, with the companies. So when companies are directly raising funds from public, that becomes public deposit, and in return depositors are getting interest rates comparatively with the higher than the banks or some of the companies, and those who are obtaining funds at lower rates than those from the borrowed from the banks. Now let us understand some of the features and rights. Acceptance of public deposit is regulated by RBI. Companies can invite deposits from public up to the period of 3 years. It is normally they are providing medium term finance from 3 to 5 years, and person can deposit money by filling a normal documents, prescribed documents, and companies acknowledging the debt by issuing deposit receipts. Now, what are the advantages of public deposit? The very first, they are talking about the procedure for procuring deposit does not have restrictive conditions as in the loan agreement. Cost of obtaining fund is lower than the banks. No charge. They don't have to mortgage any assets. These terms we have already discussed again and again, and no dilution of ownership or control of the business. But what are the drawbacks? The first, they are saying difficult for new companies to procure funds. If there is a new company, people don't know, they don't have public confidence, that company normally people will not invest money in them. Unreliable source of finance since they're dependent on public response. Tedious procedure if deposits are large volume, but because of too many formalities, it's better to take long-term bank loan. Options not available to new companies. Only established companies can use this source. Everybody will not deposit money in the with the company like that.